It is my sickness that makes my healing. It is my poverty that illuminates my prosperity, makes me appreciate where I am. Oh God, help me. Makes me appreciate where I am right now. You don't notice good health till you've been sick. You don't even notice it. You don't even understand the words that are coming out of my mouth until you have been sick. You will never thank God for feeling good until you felt bad.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to show you how you can make $50 for free starting today. Only thing you're going to need just a smartphone, a debit card, and email address and a valid phone number. You have those things, you guys, we can go ahead and make this money. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first app I want you to go download is called Pay. Pay is just another cashback app where you can come get cash back at a lot of different places and a lot of different stores that we already shop at. So the good thing about this app is they are giving out $20 once you sign up. Only thing I have to do is just link that debit card to it. Use my referral code and come over here and just make a small purchase. You guys come over here to like 7-Eleven and go buy a pack of gum. Come to McDonald's and get you like some small fries or something like that. Subway, get you some cookies. Taco Bell, get you like a taco, simple taco. Make a small purchase so you can be able to get that cash back until you'll be able to get the $20. You guys, it is so simple. You like I said, you come over here and link your debit card right here, and that's how you're gonna make $20 with this app. You guys, go ahead and do that. That's gonna be so powerful for you. All right, the next app I want you to go download is called Stash. Stash is just another bank account where they're actually giving out $20 just for signing up. Only thing you have to do is just link a debit card to it and deposit $1 into the account, and they're gonna give you $20. Guys, Stash is so dope. It's a great way to save money. It's a great way to start investing, especially if you haven't never thought about investing. This is the way to go because they are actually gonna round up your money. Say like you go to Starbucks and buy some coffee for like $3.60 or something. What Stash is gonna do, they're gonna round up that change, that 40 cents, and they're gonna deposit into your Stash account with a Starbucks stock. So you're going to start investing a lot easier and a lot smoother. They have a lot of videos that can educate you a lot better on how to invest a lot easier and to basically grow your portfolio. So that's exactly what you want to go do, man. Just use the link down there below, make a deposit of $1, and they're going to give you $20. Guys, just that simple. So the next app I want you to go download is called Dosh. Guys, Dosh is just another cashback app where you can come get cash back at a lot of places. Only thing I have to do again is just like it says, link that debit card, link that same debit card to this app, and just go make a small purchase. Just come over here and find a place that you want to go to make a small purchase. So let's just come over here to bars and restaurants. You guys, cashback is just so powerful. A lot of people know about it, but I'm trying to educate y'all because you can really make some money with these companies and just by doing the same thing that you're already doing. So you can just come over here and just come shop, see a place, and just come spend like you say $1 or $2. Church's chicken. Come over here and get you some chicken. Get you a piece of chicken. Spend $1 so you can make how much you're gonna make with Dosh. Let's just find out. You come over here to Dosh and you use my link. You guys, you're gonna get $10 just for buying a piece of chicken. You're gonna get $10 for buying a piece of chicken. Guys, this is so powerful, man. I can't stress that enough. So if you go download Dosh, Pay, and Stash, you guys, that's $50 into your account, and all you spend with just what, a couple of dollars. So powerful. If you got this far to this video, this is what I want you to go do. I want you to click that link below where it says my training. You guys, I'm giving you my training. What you want to do is just come down here, all the way down to where it says free money apps. Get you here, you can get some more apps, to get some more free money. And once you get all this free money, it's like $300 worth of free money. It's the same methods. Just link that debit card to it, that same debit card, and just go ahead, just get you this free money that they're giving out. and then you can transfer that money back to your debit card and keep it moving. Or if you want to make hundreds and thousands, it's gonna be over time, but it's a great way to supplement your income just by sharing the link. Just take my training, get the trainer, and like I'm gonna just show you exactly what I do. You see, if you looked at my YouTube channel, you see that's all I pretty much do, is just help people get money with these cashback apps. It's so powerful. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.